Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Qauseqazah. Molecular formula, empirical formula, molecular mass formula, mass. Inshallah, 100% explanation in one shot. As you watch all the photos, there our chapter was started. And these all theory, we will just focus on the most important topics, inshallah.
These are all theory.
We will start our topic from here, so let's start it. What is an empirical formula?
The formula showing minimum relative numbers of each type of atom in a molecule is called the empirical formula. It is the basic definition which is given in the book. In simple words, the formula which represents the simplest form of any chemical formula is called empirical formula, or the formula which expresses the simplest ratio of any chemical substance is also called empirical formula. Molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Here all the numbers can be divided by 6, which means that all the numbers will be divided by 6. You can see here we are cutting them with 6. It can be said that we are dividing 6, 12, and 6 by 6. Here you can say we have easily found the empirical formula of glucose, which is CHO. The empirical formula of glucose. It is just one example. Inshallah we will find more, but first I have to explain molecular formula. The molecular formula is the formula which shows the actual number of atoms of each element present in a molecule. It is derived from an empirical formula, but we can also say that empirical formula is also derived from the molecular formula. For example, the empirical formula of glucose is CHO. If we go back, we derived it by dividing from 6, and also we know that the empirical formula is the actual formula. It means to find empirical formula, we should divide it, or to get the simplest form of the compound, but for molecular formula, we just need the actual form of any compound. Let's find the empirical formula of the following compounds. First, we have carbon dioxide. We have to find the empirical and molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Here we can see carbon does not have any number, but oxygen contains 2. It represents that it is the simplest form. Also, we know that the chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. It means it is the actual form and also the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Another example is the following. C6H12O6.it is the molecular formula of glucose. On the other hand, we know that 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, and also 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. So it is the simplest form, and also it is an empirical formula of glucose. I hope you understand it. It's my first video like that. Inshallah you will like it. Subscribe to us, it will be regarded for me.